So after introducing the styles below our image, link and the list, you just save. So first, even before we move on, let me explain this. So the border radius, let me start with the border radius. So we've seen the border radius in several places. The border radius, it's here, the border radius. Is the border radius here, the border radius. So the border radius simply makes the corners round. The border radius, they make the corners round. Another thing is the display. And the display, I used the block toner. So these will make images behave like a block. And we have the margin auto. This will also make the image become or come at the center. Another one is padding. So padding is simply to add inside a space, or to add a space inside. That is basically the definition of padding. And here I added only 10 pixel. Then another thing, we have text decoration, none, and we choose to none. So this will remove the underliner that is there. And another one is background color. This will basically add the color of the background. And in my button, my background color, I used blue violet. So I have refreshed my browser here, and as you can see here, my button is here, learn HTML. So let's go back to the code here up. So my button here, it's here, HTTP Wikipedia blah 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 class button. So it's learn HTML and CSS. So it's here. So let's capitalize the first letters here. Yes, learn HTML and CSS. So let's refresh here. Is there any changes? Let's see. Yes, so learn HTML and CSS. So that is the button. Other changes we encounter here. So first, our image. In our image, you don't have any problem. The border radius 10 pixel. So you can see I've already separated the two images with the border. The display is basically the block, and the margin is auto. And for the button, we've checked the background color to blue violet. The color of my text to appear white. Yes. The padding, the inside space should be 10 pixels. Text decoration, we've removed the underline. Border radius 5 pixel. So before I show you something on the button, let's first complete for the unordered list. Again, we have them here. Background color, I selected white. Do we have white? Has it really changed to white? We did 300. So I think there is an issue here. My background color has not changed to white. Let's capitalize this here. First, my title here, topics covered in web design. So I'll put this topics covered in web design. So that is HTML, JavaScript, so let me save this and then I refresh here. So that is it. So basically this is how, as you can see now on my button here, learn HTML and CSS, I have prompted it in that when you click here it will direct me to the link where first let me break somewhere here. So when I click this, it will direct me to the link where I can get some notes. Let's see. Now you see, when you click this link in my website, it will direct me to another website. So that is basically how to include the button.